Before starting this video, I want to ask you one question. What is the most powerful skill a person can have? Is it coding? Is it intelligence? Is it talent? No. The most powerful skill is communication. Because if you can communicate well, you can open doors that talent alone cannot. And in this 30-day series, I'm going to improve my communication skills in public. One video every day. Hello everyone, my name is Selva and this is day 1 of my 30-day communication challenge. The reason I started this challenge is simple. Many people know things. Many people are intelligent, but they cannot express what they think. And because of that, their ideas stay inside their head. Communication is the bridge between what you know and what the world understands about you. Without communication, your knowledge is almost invisible. I was not always comfortable speaking. Sometimes when we try to speak in English, our minds become blank, right? We worry about grammar, we worry about mistakes, we worry about what others think. And because of that fear, we stay silent. But the truth is simple. Communication is not a talent. It is a skill. And every skill improves with practice. That is exactly what this 30-day challenge is about. Practice. Real practice. Not just learning theory. Many people believe communication means speaking perfect English. That is wrong. Communication means expressing your thoughts clearly. You can speak simple English. You can make small mistakes. But if people understand your message, that is communication. Confidence matters more than perfection. Right? Think about successful people, entrepreneurs, leaders, teachers, YouTubers. One common skill they all have is the ability to explain their ideas clearly. Because when people understand you, they trust you. And when people trust you, opportunities start coming to you. In the next 30 days, I will practice speaking every day. Each day, I will talk about something related to communication. Fear of speaking, confidence, vocabulary, conversation skills, everything. And the goal is simple. By the end of these 30 days, I want to become a better communicator than I am today. Wish you the same. Not perfect, just better. And if you are watching this video, I want to give a small challenge. For the next 30 days, try speaking English 10 minutes every day. You can speak in front of a mirror, you can record yourself, you can talk to your friends, but practice daily. Because improvement does not come from watching videos. It comes from doing the work in the right time. So this is day 1 of my communication journey. If you want to improve your communication skills with me, follow this series. Tomorrow we will talk about something important. Why most people are afraid to speak. And once you understand that fear, you can start breaking it. See you in day 2.